Hello everybody, welcome back to another exciting session with me. So in today's class, we are going to learn the spellings of months of the year. So for kids, it is very difficult to remember the lengthy spellings. It is because they don't know where to segment the spellings. So today, I'm going to show you the segmentation of spellings in months of the year. So let's begin. So children, now let's look at the word first and then identify the words. January, 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 January. February, February, February. March, March, March. April, April, April. May, May, May. June, June, June. July, July, July. August, August, August. September, September, September. October, October, October. November, November, November. December, December, December. So in this way, first we have to show the flashcards of months of the year to kids and make them understand that at a glance this is the spelling of January. So after this is over, we have to write the spellings of months of the year in a full page like this, and now we need to segment the spellings and read it. Okay, so let's begin. So children, look here. This is the spelling of January. January. It is always very important to point your forefinger onto the word while reading, and you have to move it from left to right. It is always advised to point your finger onto the word while reading the spellings. In this way, it will be very easy for you to remember the spellings, because when you look it with your eyes, your photographic memory will capture the spelling quickly and you will remember it easily. Okay, now we have to segment the spellings and read so that kids will learn the spellings quickly. Most of the times kids will not remember the spellings correctly because they don't know where to segment, or they will segment it differently whenever they read it. For example, sometimes they will read like January. The next time when they read, they may read like January. So in this way, they will not remember the words because they are not segmenting it in a right way. So it is very important for any child to understand how to segment, because segmenting is the key to learn spellings. So now let's see how you have to segment the months of the year spellings. January, 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 Jan. Come on, repeat it after me, everybody. January, 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 January. February, 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 February. March, 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 RCH. March. 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 April. 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 Look here, everybody. APRIL. 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 May. 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 All together. MAY. 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 So, whenever you read it for the next time, you have to break the spelling only till here and till here and till here. In this way, you will learn any type of spelling so quickly and it will be very easy for you to learn as many spellings as possible. So see, the next time when you read, you have to read like January, January, February, February. Now let's move on to the next page. And here we have June. You already know this is June because through these flashcards we have learned visually how a word June looks like. Okay, June. 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 Come on, repeat it after me, everybody. June. June. July. 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 Come on, everybody, once again. July. 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 And yes, here I have to add, make sure the child is pronouncing the letters correctly because some kids will say July, July. So they will mug up all the letters in middle. So you have to make sure they are pronouncing all the letters correctly if they've already learnt the spellings this way. So for them to write the spellings without any spelling mistake, it is very important to make them pronounce the letters correctly. July. July. So it has to be this clear. Okay. Next, August. 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 Once again, AUGUST. August. September. September. So, let's look at the segmenting of the spelling September now. SEPTEMBER. September. Okay. SEPTEMBER. September. One more time, come on, read along with me now. SEPTEMBER. September. One more time. SEPTEMBER. September. Once again. SEPTEMBER. September. Next we have October. 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 Tober. October. October. Let's move on to the next. November. 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 One more time. Come on, everybody. Repeat it after me now. November. 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 Then we have the last month of the year. Can you tell me what's that? Yes, it's the December. So let's see the segmentation for the spelling December. 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 Okay, let's repeat it one more time. December. December. Once again. December. December. So here are the 12 months of the year. How many months do we have, children? We have 12 months in a year. So 1 to 12 months of the year. 12 months of the year. Okay. 12 months. Months. Of the year. 12 months of the year. So now children, can you all tell me how many months do we have in a year and what are they? Come on everybody. We have 12 months in a year. We have 12 months in a year. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So total we have 12 months in a year. From this video, I hope you have understood how to teach spellings to young ones very easily by segmenting, isn't it? As moms, it is important for us to repeat the spellings so many times so that they will understand where to segment the words. So hope you have really liked the video of the months of the year today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep watching this space for many preschool updates. See you again. Till then, take care. Bye, children.